Kennedy challenges food industry safety standards, faces legal threats. Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is moving to close a decades-old regulatory gap that allows food and supplement companies to self-certify the safety of new ingredients without FDA review. This move, intended to strengthen food safety oversight, is already drawing sharp criticism and threats of lawsuits from the industry. The GRAS loophole. A history of self-regulation, the core of the issue lies in the generally recognized as safe GRAS designation, originally intended for well-established substances like vinegar and baking soda in 1958. GRAS allows companies to introduce new ingredients into the food supply without notifying the Food and Drug Administration. The exact number of substances entering the market through this loophole is unknown, but estimates run into the thousands. This self-regulation has long been a point of contention. Critics argue it allows potentially harmful ingredients to bypass safety checks, while proponents claim it fosters innovation and avoids bureaucratic delays. Industry pushback and legal challenges. Kennedy's plan to require pre-market notifications for all new ingredients documentation that can exceed 100 pages is being met with resistance. Lawyers representing major food companies argue such a mandate exceeds legal authority and would stifle product development. If the FDA insists on filing requirements where the law does not mandate them, they will lose in court, says Todd Harrison, a Washington-based lawyer representing food and supplement manufacturers. The industry contends that the FDA's slow review process would hinder innovation and consumer access to new products. This dispute highlights a fundamental tension between regulatory oversight and the pace of the modern food industry. Why this matters? Shifting power dynamics. Kennedy's actions reflect a broader push for stricter food safety standards, gaining momentum across political lines. For decades, advocates have called for closing the GRAS loophole, but previous administrations lacked the political will or legal leverage to challenge the industry effectively. The current situation marks a turning point. Kennedy's administration appears determined to enforce greater accountability, potentially reshaping how food and supplements are introduced to the market. This could force companies to prioritize safety over speed, but at the risk of protracted legal battles. The outcome will likely set a precedent for future food regulations and define the balance of power between industry self-regulation and government oversight.